Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Ember, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ella.
Hello, Ella, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It is such a special day to be here with you.
It really is, James. You look very excited today. What is happening?
I am excited. It is almost a new year. 2026 is coming.
Yes, it is, and that is our topic today.
Really? What is our topic?
Today, we are talking about Happy New Year 2026.
Happy New Year! I love this topic.
Me too. We will talk about New Year traditions, celebrations, and resolutions in the USA.
This is very exciting. Everyone loves the new year.
Yes, but James, before we celebrate, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you like learning English with us, please click the subscribe button.
Subscribe to English Ember. It helps us make more episodes for you in 2026.
And please give this video a thumbs up, a like.
Yes, click that like button and share this episode with a friend. Maybe a friend you want to celebrate with?
Perfect. Okay, Ella, are you ready to talk about New Year?
I am ready. Let's start.
So, Ella, when is New Year's Day?
New Year's Day is January 1st. That is the first day of the new year.
And the night before is very special.
Yes, December 31st is called New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. That is when people celebrate and have parties.
Exactly. In America, New Year's Eve is a big celebration.
What do Americans do on New Year's Eve?
Many things. Some people go to parties, big parties with music, dancing, and food.
Parties. Those are fun. What else?
Some people go to restaurants for a special dinner.
A special dinner. That sounds nice and fancy.
Yes, or some people stay home and watch TV.
Watch TV? What do they watch?
They watch the New Year's Eve shows. The most famous one is in New York City.
Oh, yes. Times Square in New York City. That is very famous.
Yes, millions of people watch the ball drop on TV.
The ball drop? Can you explain that?
Sure. In Times Square, there is a big ball. It is covered in lights. At midnight, the ball slowly comes down.
Comes down? It drops from the top to the bottom.
Exactly. And everyone counts down together.
Counts down. That means count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Yes, and when the ball reaches the bottom, it is midnight. It is the new year.
And everyone shouts, Happy New Year!
Yes, and they hug and kiss and celebrate.
That sounds wonderful. Ella, what do people do at midnight?
At midnight, there is a tradition. People kiss someone.
Kiss someone? Why?
It is for good luck. If you kiss someone at midnight, it brings love and happiness in the new year.
That is a sweet tradition. What if you were alone?
Then you call your family or friends and say, Happy New Year.
Or you text them.
Yes. At midnight, everyone sends messages. Happy New Year, best wishes for 2026.
Best wishes. That means good hopes for the future.
Exactly. It is very nice.
What about fireworks? Are there fireworks?
Yes, many cities have fireworks at midnight. The sky is full of beautiful colors.
I love fireworks. They're so pretty.
Me too, and they are loud. Boom, boom, boom.
Very loud, but very exciting.
Yes. Okay, James, let's talk about New Year's resolutions.
New Year's resolutions. That is an important topic. What is a resolution?
A resolution is a promise you make to yourself, a goal for the new year.
A goal. Something you want to do or change.
Exactly. For example, my resolution is to exercise more.
Exercise more. That is a very common resolution.
It is. Many Americans want to be healthier in the new year.
What are other common resolutions?
Let me think. Save more money. That is very popular.
Save more money. Put money in the bank. Spend less.
Yes, and learn something new, like a new language or a new skill.
Learn something new. That is a great resolution, like learning English.
Exactly. And spend more time with family.
Spend more time with family. That is important.
Yes. And travel more. See new places.
Travel more. Many people want to explore the world.
They do. What about you, James? Do you have a resolution for 2026?
Yes, I do. My resolution is to read more books.
Read more books. That is wonderful. How many books do you want to read?
I want to read one book every month, so 12 books in 2026.
12 books. That is a great goal. I believe you can do it.
Thank you. What about you, Ella? What is your resolution?
My resolution is to learn to cook better. I want to try new recipes.
Learn to cook better. That is useful and fun.
Yes, I want to cook healthy meals and impress my friends.
Impress. That means make them amazed or surprised in a good way.
Exactly. I want them to say, "Wow, Ella, this is delicious."
I am sure you will. Okay, Ella, here is a question. Do people keep their resolutions?
That is a good question. Honestly, many people do not keep them.
They do not? Why not?
Because resolutions are hard. They require work and discipline.
Discipline. That means self-control, doing something even when it is hard.
Yes. For example, going to the gym in January is easy, but in March it is harder.
I understand. People lose motivation.
Exactly. So how do you keep your resolution?
Good question. I think you need to start small.
Start small. What do you mean?
Do not make a huge goal. Make a small, realistic goal.
Realistic. That means possible. You can actually do it.
Yes. For example, do not say, I will exercise every day,
Why not?
because that is very hard. Instead, say, I will exercise 3 times a week.
Oh, I see. 3 times a week is easier than every day.
Exactly. Small steps lead to big success.
I like that. Small steps lead to big success. That is very wise, James.
Thank you. And you should write down your resolution.
Write it down? Why?
Because when you write it, you remember it better, and you can look at it every day.
That makes sense. It keeps you focused.
Yes, and tell your friends and family about your resolution.
Tell other people? Why?
Because they can help you. They can encourage you and support you.
Encourage. That means give you confidence and motivation.
Exactly. If your friend knows you want to read more, they might ask, how many books did you read this month?
Oh, that is helpful. It keeps you accountable.
Accountable. That means responsible. You have to do what you said.
I like that. Okay, let's talk about New Year traditions. What else do Americans do?
Some people make special foods.
Special foods? Like what?
In the South, people eat black-eyed peas and collard greens on New Year's Day.
Black-eyed peas. Those are small beans. Why do they eat them?
For good luck and money. It is a Southern tradition.
That is interesting. What about drinks?
At midnight, people drink champagne.
Champagne. That is a fancy, sparkling wine.
Yes, they raise their glasses and say, cheers.
Cheers. That is what you say when you celebrate with drinks.
Exactly. And then they toast to the new year.
Toast. That means say nice words and then drink together.
Yes, you can say, here's to a great 2026, or best wishes for 2026.
That is beautiful. I love that tradition.
Me too. Ella, what do you say to people on New Year?
You say, Happy New Year.
Yes, that is the most common phrase, but what else can you say?
You can say, Have a great year, or Best wishes for 2026.
Or, may all your dreams come true.
May all your dreams come true. That is very poetic and sweet.
It is. And you can say, wishing you health, happiness, and success.
Health, happiness, and success. Those are the 3 most important things.
They are. And you can keep it simple and just say, Cheers to 2026.
Cheers to 2026. I like that. It is short and positive.
Yes. Okay, Ella, let me ask you. How do you plan to celebrate New Year's Eve?
Me? I think I will have a small party at my house with close friends.
A small party. That sounds nice and cozy.
Yes, we will eat good food, play games, and watch the ball drop on TV at midnight.
Perfect. And what will you wear?
I will wear something sparkly, maybe a gold dress.
Sparkly. That means shiny with glitter. Very festive.
Yes, New Year's Eve is a time to dress up and look fancy.
I agree. I will wear a nice suit.
You will look very handsome. What are your plans, James?
I'm going to a big party with my friends. There will be music, dancing, and lots of people.
That sounds fun and energetic.
It is. And at midnight, we will go outside to see the fireworks.
Beautiful. I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, James, I have a question for our listeners.
What is your question?
What is your New Year resolution for 2026? What do you want to achieve?
Great question. And I want to know, how do you celebrate New Year in your country?
Yes, tell us in the comments below. We love reading your comments and learning about your traditions.
And to all our listeners, we want to say Happy New Year 2026.
Yes, may this year bring you joy, success, and lots of English learning.
Well, Ella, I think that is all for today.
Yes, this was a wonderful conversation. I am feeling very hopeful for 2026.
Me too. Thank you, everyone, for listening to English Ember.
And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click that subscribe button and the like button. Let's start 2026 together.
And share this episode with your friends. Spread the New Year joy.
Yes, thank you so much for being with us. Have a fantastic new year.
See you in 2026. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye and Happy New Year.